While in Reels, have you tried to sync your photos to music? Yeah, it's a pain in the butt, isn't it? I'm going to show you a few tricks for doing that, plus a secret tool you can use to make it much easier for you.
Hi, I'm Wonderful Ida, an educational video producer based in Vancouver, Canada.
I teach you how to film yourself so you can film once to teach many. If you want to leverage your expertise to make money, then make sure to subscribe to my channel because I have new videos every Wednesday. So there's a hard way and an easy way to do this. Let's start with the hard way. So you're gonna go into your Instagram Reels, you're gonna go into creating a new reel, and you want to start by picking your song. This is gonna make it much easier for when you're syncing later. So I'm gonna go into music and I'm gonna pick a song. You wanna pick something that is popular because then it's gonna be easy to find. If it's an original audio, it's gonna be harder to find when you're trying it the easy way. So you'll see what I mean in a bit. Here, Survivor by Destiny Child. I just picked a song because I thought it was easy to find. Okay, so now you're going to add your video clips to your reel. So to do that, you're gonna swipe up and you're gonna select multiple clips. So you can see the multiple clips icon is on the top row. It's gonna have a box with a line around it so it looks like it's like multiple boxes. Click on that and then these circles are gonna arrive. This allows you to select more than one clip. So recently I had somebody in my studio and I was teaching them how to film YouTube videos and we did some behind the scenes videos. So I'm just going to find some of those clips. There we go. And I'm just gonna select them. When you're selecting them at this point, you want to make sure they're in the order you want them to appear. You can change the order later, but think about a story that you wanna say. So say I didn't really think of that story, so I wanna select them again. So I can hold down that button and then it's gonna reset it for me. And I'm just going to want to think of my story as I'm selecting it. So let's go here. There we go. So we're setting up our set. For this, you can choose photos, you can choose videos, you can choose live photos. Note that if you combine photos and videos and they're not live videos, so it's gonna go from a moving picture to a still frame and it's gonna look a little not as good as if they're more all moving photos. So if you have the options of live photos and you want to use photos, then make sure you shoot live photos and add live photos. There we go. I have a few things selected. I'm gonna add a couple more. That's a photo, that's a video. You can tell the difference whether a piece of content is a photo or video, and if it's a live photo or not. A photo will just show the frame. A live photo will have a circle within a circle within a circle on the left top corner of the video, and then videos are just going to have a timer at the bottom. So you're going to have time codes. They're going to say the duration of the video. It's going to add the number of videos that I have, so you can see I'm up to 8. In total, I'm only going to be able to allow to add 10. Past 10, it's not going to let me select anything, but then I can double click on something and it's going to unselect it. So I have my 8 video clips selected. I'm going to press next. And it's going to import them one at a time. And so what I want to do when I'm importing them to make it easier on me is to already start cutting it on the beat. So I'm listening to my song and I'm thinking, where is the beat? And then I'm moving my cursor to that beat. So there's a beat there. So there we go. My beat is set there, so I know the duration of my clip. Now I can move my clip, so you can see as I move it, it's gonna change which part of the clip is gonna play. So I like that. Oh, actually, let's go a little further maybe then. There we go. Add. Now I have my next clip. So first thing I do is I find the beat. So I'm going to trim the beginning. And now I move to which part of that video I want it to be at. There we go, I can just scrub that. There we go, add that one. So once again, trim to the beat and then adjust where you want it to show up. So to make sure you don't move the selected clip, so you don't want to touch the white lines, you want to make sure you grab the clip by somewhere on the gray where it's like blacked out so that it moves. And then you are able to also zoom in on this clip, so you can see this white circle with the red frame on it. That means I can pinch this and it's going to allow me to zoom, so I can hold it down as I pinch to crop it. So at the top I can also see which clip I'm in. So you can see I'm in 8 out of 8. So I know this is my last clip, so I'm gonna wanna figure out where I wanna end it. There we go, and so I added all my clips and now I can preview. So now you can see when you preview it, it goes to the beat. But say for example, one of these clips just doesn't really go and you wanna fine tune it, you can just press edit clip, select any of the clips, and then you can trim it. So you can move the bars to trim it, to adjust it so that it makes sense. You can also reorder, change the order of them, and then adjust the clips accordingly. But I think the easiest way is just to figure out your order, import all your clips at once, and then as you're importing them, match them to the beat. Gonna go next, save that as a draft so I have that for later. So now that we know the hard way, I'm gonna show you the easy way to do this, and it is going to require that you leave Instagram for TikTok. Some people do have the option to sync to music in Instagram. I've seen a couple influencers show videos about this, but I've never received that feature. I just think it's a tease when I see a video showing how to do that, and I'm sure you've noticed that with some of my videos. There's features that you don't have, and it's frustrating. So that's when you need another app. So I'm gonna go over to TikTok. I'm gonna go to post, and I'm going to add all my clips. So I'm going to find the same clips. The difference between Instagram and TikTok when you're importing your media is that it has photos and videos separated. So you would have to do all your photos first and then your video. So I'm going to just do videos for this one to make it easier. And like I said, if you're doing a video, you might as well have all your clips be videos. If you want to preview a clip, you can just click on it, and it's going to allow you to preview it, so you can select it, go back. You can see, similar to Instagram, it's going to give you the number count of which video you're on. So I think we're here, this one, and then I go next. And it's going to take me right to this. So sync sound. It's going to allow me to go through their sound and pick a sound. I can go in here and I can search. So this is why I said to pick an audio that is popular, because I'm going to be able to use the audio in here, save that, and then import it into Reels without the audio and use that audio there. So let's see, Survivor. So you're gonna click on the song and then you're gonna click on the check mark. And you see it's generated it for me. It's picked up on the beat and it's created the video for me. I can also go in and I can adjust the clips. So I can press one and hold down, and I can change which part of the clip it's going to show. So if, say, if I want this end part, or I can hold down and I can move them to rearrange them. So let's go through them and just adjust which parts I want them. So just click on it. That was actually cute. So let's say done. I like all this. I'm gonna go to next. It's going to process it for me. So I'm gonna go to next. And then to save it, I'm going to have to post it and then click on it, cancel. And then I'm going to have to go to my video, save video. And then let's go to Instagram. So you're gonna swipe up and you're going to select your reel. So there you go, it saves it with the song already. You can add that. You can also import the music from in here. So I can go Survivor, and then I can go next. I can go to my music. So my camera audio is down, my Survivor is up. So that way it's gonna classify that song with other songs from that artist. But it is going to have that TikTok logo, so If that bothers you, you are gonna have to remove that. So there you have it. Now you know how to sync your photos to music. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, or better yet, leave me a comment below. I have new videos out each and every week. Until next time, peace!